So Parler is back, and here's how to download it. So go to your browser here and put in this link. Type in yourself, or I'll put it in the description, and you can copy and paste it in to your browser search. And I'll scroll to the bottom of this page, and it says at the bottom, download today with Apple or Android icon. So we're choosing Android in this case, but I think Apple will work the same. Hopefully you can follow this tutorial for Apple as well. But in my case, I've tapped that Android icon on the right, and now you're going to scroll past this bit. I don't think you need to do this bit. Choose your version. But come here and it says follow instructions, and then it says download Parler for Android. Tap that link and then download the pop-up. Then close this bit, don't open it. Instead of opening it here, we're going to go to our file manager on our phone. Hopefully you have this app on your phone, on your Android. File manager, there it is. And for me, I have APKs at the top there, so maybe it'll be in your downloads as well, but I've got a special APKs section where I can find the APK that I've downloaded. Tap that and then select install when it prompts you to install it. This will install. Maybe if you're doing it for the first time, it will say, do you want Google Play protection to scan your app? In which case, it's up to you, but you don't need it because this is perfectly safe. We've downloaded this from Parler's own website. And here we go, open the app. And there it is, you've downloaded the app and it should be in your apps on your phone. Here's the app working. It came online today. There are some issues being reported, and I'm going to show them here with it being slow and having timeout errors. So clearly their servers are not quite up to scratch at the moment. But I guess they'll iron out these problems and eventually it should be working properly. But this is the app and it is functional and it is back.